Hello there, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today, of course, the mail lady came. And what did she do? Well, she dropped off my December single swag. Hashtag love yourself. And that is what it says on this side. That's what it says on this side. And we're going to find out what the December single swag is. Now, I would like to welcome you all to my channel. I especially want to welcome all my subscribers, friends. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're new here, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing. We do a lot on this channel, and one of them is beauty. This is kind of a beauty lifestyle box. Single swag runs $39.95 a month. It is a monthly self-care box. If you are able, you may be able to find discounts with certain coupons and get it for a little bit less. But if you go to their site, and even on their site, they could have specials. But single swag is great, and I do have a $15 off coupon down in my description, and you are welcome to use it if it's something that you would like to try out. Now, in this box, we'll have 6 to 8 items. There are 2 different single swag box. There is a mini box that has 4 to 5 items, and that one's $24.99, and this is the larger box for $39.99. And I was able to get this single swags box for 50% off for a year. So like I said, there are coupons out there, and it's a great value, and we'll get a mixture of lifestyle items, some beauty, maybe some jewelry. Sometimes we get a little snack. It just depends. I've seen different things in this box. But let's get in here and see what we have this month for the single swag. Here's a little sneaky peek. We got our product card on top. They always tell us the value that they say that it is, and it's a retail value of $226. Looks like we have at least 8 items in here this time, and I'm going to just open it up. That is the wrapping paper. They always have the black, and I can see that we do have a little snack in there. And let's just commence going through this box. Let's see here. The first thing I see is a Violet Harper. It's an owl layered necklace, and it's black druzy earring set. So let's see if we can find some jewelry in here. That would be right here, Violet Harp. I will say that I think their jewelry usually is overstated on the price, but this is very pretty. Look at that. That's actually beautiful. I'm not much of a stud wearer, so to speak, but I do like the chains like that, and I'll get some good use out of that. And every once in a while I'll put on studs, but most of the time I do not. But this is very lovely. It says, make a statement with this chic, weighty gold-plated necklace. Black square, druzy earrings, set perfect for dressing up or dressing down, day or night. Necklace measures 15 inches with a 4-inch extender. So that is very nice, and that's true. You can dress this up or dress it down. I do agree with that. It does say that it's weighty gold-plated necklace, and that could increase the value a little bit. And the price on this is $52, and I really don't think that I would spend $52. I might spend half on something like this, but I do think that if it is gold-plated, that is going to increase the value just a little bit. But again, I still think it's overpriced. All right, let's go on to the next item. That was very lovely. The next item that I'm seeing here is a mineral clay beauty mask, and it has a value of $32. And that is right here. So we have a mineral clay beauty mask, and it says cleanse and refine skin textures with this cleanser containing licorice and cocoa extracts to even out skin tone and provide a radiant complexion, while tea tree oil hydrates the skin at the deepest level. Apply to dry skin and leave on for about 7 minutes. And then you're going to rinse with water. So that sounds pretty interesting. It is nice packaging. It does have like a wooden cork bamboo top. It is sealed, and I'm going to leave it sealed. The fact that it has cocoa and licorice extracts is kind of nice. So it sounds like a very good mask, and it is possible that it's $32. It might be a little overpriced, I'm not sure. When you get into beauty products, things can be quite expensive sometimes. Let's see what the next item is. Our next item is a Chizo's double-sided desk plaque, and that must be what this was. And I seen that when it was sitting in there. So we're coming up on the new year, so they want to send us a few accessories to prepare us for the new year. And it says, get it girl or the boss. So I guess you have a choice of which way you want it. And it says that there on the back. Let's see what it says. It says this is a $22 value. Get it girl or show everyone that you're the boss in the office or at home with this fun double-sided desk plaque. Let's take a better look. So I'm going to have to break this seal just so that you know for packaging purposes. But let's take a look at it. So get it girl, and then I'm assuming we can just slide that out and then turn it around and it'll say the boss. So that's pretty cool that you can do either way. I think I'll go get it girl. That looks cute. Alright guys, that's a little different too. Let's see what our next item is. Our next item is Kind Things. This is a dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. It's a $2 value, and it is our Kind bar, and it's dark chocolate with nuts and sea salt. Now, I will tell you that this is a great little product. If you like a good healthy product, Kind is your answer, and it tastes good too. It's a dark chocolate nuts with sea salt bar. Gluten-free bars feature a thin layer of sliced almonds and diced peanuts with a chocolate coating and drizzle. These snack bars contain 4 grams of sugar and are 90 calories per serving. I guess 4 grams might be low in sugar. That might be why they're mentioning that. And it's only 90 calories, and I can tell you they're very tasty. So I like the snack, and $2 is an appropriate amount for that. Our next item is a Bornessa Cali. This is a pomegranate foot cream, and that is right here, and I do believe that this brand is a good brand. It's a $24 value, and this is an amazing scented foot cream. Restores moisture from your hands to your toes, and it will revive and rejuvenate you while making your feet look and feel silky soft and smooth. Let's see if it's sealed. It's not sealed, so I have a little bit here on my finger, and I'm gonna smell it. Now, the ironic thing is it looks like it could have been sealed, and I broke the seal. Now, that's possible, but it does have a light pomegranate scent. It smells really good, and it's real rich and creamy. I like that. And it says that has a value of $24. I don't know that I would spend $24 for some foot cream. This is only about, it says 2.5 fluid ounces. I use Avena and or some other brands that maybe cost me $10, but I get like 10 ounces, and there's quite a bit in there, and it's very moisturizing. I'm not sure if I would spend that much, but it doesn't smell like this. I mean, so you gotta take all those things in consideration. Okay guys, the next item is a So Susan Aquarella, and So Susan is another great brand. It's an Aquarella, and this is a deep hydrating serum for the face and body. So this is going to be a combination, and this is their big product this month. It looks like it's $46. I can tell you that the So Susan is an expensive product. They're good products, they're clean. And it does have a seal on it, so they always have their product seal, which is good. And it's got some avocado oil in it, as well as carrot, rose hip, and everlasting flower, it says, extract. So that's a good point right there. I like that. This is a deep hydrating serum for the face and body. And refresh, it says. Refresh, smooth, and soften your skin with this face and body serum infused with avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, and everlasting flower extract. The non-greasy treatment cream contains reparative elements to assist in the healing of stretch marks, signs of fatigue, and allows the skin to retain more moisture. So that's all really good. And like I said, it's a good product. I do know that So Susan is a good brand. So I look forward to trying that out. Now our next item is a Steve Laurent, and it's an orchid lip oil. And that is right here, and it's a $22 value, and like I said, it is a lip oil. It looks to be in the color a little bit of a light pink. It's probably clear actually, but they've got it kind of decorated with a little bit of pink. It says the orchid lip oil is a softening, non-sticky oil for the lips, and it's got a gloss-like natural shine and a healthy look. One swipe leaves your lips smooth, hydrated, and glowing. Well, that sounds good, and that's a winner. I like that, and it said it was a $22 value. and it probably is. Okay, let's go on to the next item. Our last item, and I'm kind of real happy about this, it is the Molly Jacobs. It's the 2023 planner calendar. It states it's a $24 value, which I do feel their value is a little overstated, but I'm glad I got the planner because I got their last year's planner, and it's the one I've used all year long to keep track of things that are written down because it's nice and handy. It's small, it can fit in my purse or in my computer bag when I'm on the go, traveling or whatever. It's just nice and handy. And this says that it is, of course, a 2023 planner, and it's almost here. That's right, 2023 is right around the corner. Are you guys ready? I'm going to cut this open because I'm definitely using this. I was hoping I would get one. I do like that it is like a heavy vinyl type feel. It's probably plastic, but it's got a texture to it. And let me see what it says here. It says it's almost 2023 and the best is yet to come. Stay organized and keep track of your activities. An important date with this planner featuring a monthly overview, pages or 2-lined pages behind each month and adding notes. Produced with high quality weighted paper. Throw this planner in your handbag or keep it by your desk or at home in the office for everyday use. And that's kind of what I did. And it's basically the same planner from last year. So if you got this last year, it was pink last year. For the 2022, well, a different design, black and white, or they have more of an abstract look to their design this time. But I will get good use out of this. I can just tell you that now, and I'll already start posting them for January because I have to put in dates for my puppies and stuff like that. And, you know, some of them might have shots or something that's coming up, or I might have to have them to the vet. So I'll put all that information in my planner. And, you know, of course I have my phone, but sometimes it's easier just to grab a little book and see what my day's going to be. And that's what I do. So, guys, let's do a review. Again, it's a $226 value. It's a $39.95 purchase if you purchase it at the regular monthly price, which I feel even if you were to reduce that down to $113 in value, let's just say we halved everything, which that's not really fair because some of these products, I know So Susan does run in the like $48. That's a normal retail price. I'm sure this is a normal retail price for that product. So, and the lippy oil, and of course this. So as a recap, we have the 2023 planner, which I'm very happy about. I have my little snack for today. I have a Cali pomegranate foot cream, which I will use because I use foot cream every day. And then we have this mineral clay beauty mask that has licorice and cocoa extract. Very interesting. And then, of course, we got our lip from Steve Laurent, or Laurent. Like I said, I don't know which way it's going to go. And we got our So Susan Aquarella, and this is that deep hydrating serum for the body and the face. I'll probably mostly use that for the body. Then we got our little desk sign that says "Get it, girl," or if you want to be the boss for the day, you just turn your little sign around and you're the boss. And that is wonderful. And then of course we got this beautiful necklace, and I do like the necklace. The earrings are you know, give or take. I mean, they are pretty. I'll get them up close for you. But it's just not something that I would probably wear on a normal basis. So I'm real pleased with my single swag. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item is. My favorite item is going to be this because I was waiting and hoping I'd get one. And my next favorite item is going to be the Deep Hydrating Moisturizer by So Susan. And if I had to pick three, I think just because it's something different, I'm going to go with the Boss Lady here. Yeah. So I think it was a fun box. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And I really appreciate you being here with me today. And as for single swag in December, that's all I have. And don't forget to check my descriptions for anything that is currently going on. I've got a couple of collabs out there with some giveaways, so be sure and check those out. And anything else that may be going on like I won, so can you. That's it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.